You tell me, you were on the set with all of them. Who was the maximum on social media? On the phone, chalo.
I think
मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि who was the most cooperative actor on set, so उसके हिसाब से मैं बोल दूँ.
सीजन 3 की डेट्स नहीं है मेरे पास अभी.
नहीं, but I think Shreya. Sorry.
Which actors, you all tell me, will make good journalists in these beats? Sports. Who do you think will be a good sports journalist? Which actor?
टाइगर श्रॉफ.
Politics and international affairs. Next for you is lifestyle.
I think yeah, Anupam Kher.
Lifestyle, entertainment.
Karan Johar. Yeah.
That's true. आप न्यूज़ अगर देखते हो तो कहाँ पे आजकल ट्विटर पे सब मिल जाता है, इंस्टाग्राम पे मिल जाता है, व्हाट्सएप पे भी लोग भेज देते हैं. आप किस न्यूज़ पे भरोसा करते हो?
मेरे अपने विश्वसनीय सूत्र हैं.
अच्छा. Hello and welcome. This is Bollywood Hangama's Hangout. We are at your college. You all have to welcome us. Give yourself a big hand. Give us a big hand. And you know what we are here for. So we are here for the Broken News Season 2 that's coming on Z5. I just made the actors really jealous by telling them that I have already seen it. So I have some more information so that I can chat with them. We will get the cast here. How many of you have seen the first season? Raise your hand. How many? Okay, cool. So you know the characters. You all know the characters. There's Amina Qureshi, there's Dipankar Sanyal, there's Radha Bhargav. दो channels में लड़ाई है जो जोश 24/7 और आवाज भारती. So this basic you all know. We will ask them what is new in the new season. The theme is something on the lines of Sach versus Sansani. This, trust me, I'm a journalist and I can't tell you how real this is in today's time. जब मैं कुछ news देखता हूँ, जब WhatsApp पे कुछ आता है, I don't know what is such and what is sansani. So we'll play some games on those lines with them. So let's not waste any time and call the actors. Put your hands together, guys, for the cast of this wonderful show, The Broken News Season 2 on Z5. Guys, please come. I'll introduce you all as I see you all. There is the gorgeous Sonali Bendre. Big hand. Shreya Pilgaonkar looking lovely. Look at you. And of course, our hero, handsome Jaydeep Alawat. We'll also welcome the director, Vinay Vaikul. That is the team that's put this show together. Please have a seat, guys. Wonderful. I'm very excited because like I told them, I've made you all jealous by telling you all that मैंने पहले ही नया season देख लिया है. So guys, big thumbs up from me. I was telling them I watched it late in the night. I couldn't because I was hooked onto it. Once you watch the first episode, you want to watch the second one. So I was totally hooked onto it. Congratulations.
Thank you. चलो पहला तो feedback अच्छा है मतलब.
बहुत
Hopefully ऐसे होगा.
These are characters. Also, I feel like I know them. And also, I'm from the news business. I know what these characters are like, who's real, who's replicating what. So it is wonderful. So starting with you, the captain of the ship, season 2, 2 साल के बाद आ रहा है, right?
Yes.
Okay. One, what took 2 years and what was the decision that there should be a season 2?
Because of the overwhelming response of season 1, and we felt that the story was still incomplete. It had to be told for the what happens basically. There is so many possibilities and there is so much to explore about these characters. So we started writing immediately after the season 1 released. But because as you know, I mean, like in terms of development of the story, there are various routes one would take, this, that. So there is a lot of sort of discussions, inputs, this way, that way, क्या करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए. So that took little time. But I think all that was needed. All that was needed to come up with a story which is which sort of takes it forward as a season 2. Normally with season 2, it becomes little underwhelming for whatever.
Right.
a lot of series like that. So we definitely wanted season 2 to be way better than what season 1 was, and I hope it's that way.
It is.
But yeah, that took 2 years, but that's fine, I guess.
I can't help but ask you, your character is so loud and modeled against any particular news anchor? कोई है?
No, he's not loud. He's so upfront. He's so convinced what he's doing. Uh, he never shouts on you unless he has to, and that's very personal for him. So for him, journalism is the belief he has. It's not. Uh, People don't want to know the truth. They want to hear the stories. और मसाला लगाओ, बेचो, और कुछ नहीं है. उसके लिए वो एक बिजनेस है. और वो पता है, सीजन 1 जिन्होंने देखा और उसमें पता चलता है कि कभी से ऐसा नहीं था. एक दौर में वो और अभिनय एक साथ एक तरह का जर्नलिज्म करते थे जिसमें उसका बिलीफ अभी भी है, बट दीपांकर उस बिलीफ से बाहर आ चुका है. बट
Sounds familiar, guys. Okay. So, Rali, your character's journalism is very different. Your thoughts, journalism is very different from his. You tell us, what should we expect this time and what is her journalism? What is her thought?
Amina stands for certain principles in her life, and she has stuck through it, through the thick and thin of whatever has been going on. And for me, the beauty of the fact was that, when you look at these characters and when you look at where Amina comes from and where Dipankar comes from and how it shapes the need that they have, that also shapes the decisions they and the choices they make in their lives. And it's, again, like we said, it's sensationalism when you try to put things in a black and white box. But the truth is always gray, somewhere in between, and to understand that. And that, for me, I think season 2 brings out very, very beautifully.
No, the dialogues she has, the lines she has, there are journalists, there are reporters in this crowd, and they should, we'll all watch it at some point. It's beautiful. These are the principles many of us still stand by and work for. Your character has been to jail. She's come out. We can see the trailer full of fire. What she tells you is so important. Revenge is more important or journalism is more important. How does she strike a balance? Gussa to hai bahut.
Of course, बहुत गुस्सा है. I always thought Radha represents the common man, and especially for Radha, who's trying to find her place in journalism in this world where she's come with certain principles, but she also realizes that it's not that easy. The system doesn't always necessarily allow you to do what you want to. So in this case, she's also trying to understand who she is. And when you've been hurt as bad as Radha has, then of course there's a whole lot of vengeance in her. But somewhere I think this state of mind could be in at any stage in life, irrespective of what situation it is. So I think it's really complex and beautiful with respect to Radha's journey, because there's anger, but she's also trying to do the right thing. And I love that line, where मुझे भी हाथ गंदे करने पड़ेंगे. That's what she eventually thinks, which is so against what she was always. So I think it's interesting because people change, people evolve. It's not always a bad thing. And I really enjoyed sort of giving Dipankar a tough fight this time. She was like merciless.
Right. Vinay, what is it about the news business and especially television that there's so much interest? As a crowd, they'll know the names of anchors, they'll know the names of news channels. What is it that you can make a full-on entertainment show and the second season? What is it about this business?
I think the best part of this business is because there's so much of fiction which goes on in the news business.
Right.
और क्या चाहिए एक फिक्शन में जो काम करता है बंदा, डायरेक्टर, राइटर, तो इट्स अ वेरी पोटेंट वर्ल्ड. there is so much which goes behind the camera, and you can only get a sort of a glimpse of that as a general news viewer.
Right.
So there is always there is so much curiosity कि क्या क्या होता होगा, क्या क्या है, थोड़ा सा तो पता चला, अरे पहले तो ये बंदा ऐसे बात करता था, अभी लास्ट इन 10 सालों में ये ऐसे बात कर रहा है, तो क्यों करता होगा, so you keep wondering. So this was our attempt to sort of we understanding it and also putting it across for people to know कि भाई बाहर तो ये दिखता है बट अंदर ये भी सब कुछ है,
Right.
So yeah, that was I guess मतलब आई होप कि ये देखने के बाद, और यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारे जर्नलिज्म के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो थोड़ा सही वाला जर्नलिज्म करने की अगर कोई कोशिश करे बाहर जाके, तो आई थिंक वो बहुत बढ़िया होगा.
Right, absolutely. Jaideep, कितनी आप तीनों को, I would like to ask you that how much more did you understand the news business, newsroom culture, reporters, editors, equation? How much did you all understand especially after doing this?
और मुझे लगता है कि उसको उसकी शुरुआत शूट करने से पहले शुरू हो गई थी, क्योंकि जब हमें वो सब करना है ऑन स्क्रीन तो और वो जो पेपर पे इतना सुंदर लिखा हुआ है, उन सबका किरदार जो इतने अच्छे से लिखे हुए हैं, तो आई थिंक उस वर्ल्ड को समझना वो शूट से पहले स्टार्ट हो गया था. बट ये ज़रूर है कि दोनों सीज़न की शूट के दौरान आपको बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो शायद उस तैयारी के वक्त बच गई थी, वो शूट करते हुए एहसास ज़रूर होता कि ओह इसका क्या इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है, क्या किस तरह से ही लोग. अब जैसे कि आप कह रहे थे कि दीपांकर इज़ वेरी लाउड, ही इज़ पोर्ट्रेइंग लाउड, ही इज़ नॉट. वो अपने घर में सबसे चुप आदमी है, कोई नहीं है उसके आसपास. ही नोज इफ आई एम नॉट लाउड आई विल बी अमीना. आई वॉन्ट टू बी लाउड
And be different.
to keep the TRPs high, to keep the Josh number one channel of the country. So he's portraying loud, and he knows that it will sell.
Right.
लोग इसको देख रहे हैं. तो वो जो उन किरदारों की कहानी तो किरदारों की है ना. ये न्यूज रूम उसका एक बैकड्रॉप भी है, जो एक टाइम पे दोनों इतने मिक्स हो गए, समझ नहीं आ रहा कि पर्सनल लाइफ कितनी बची है और उसमें एक पब्लिक लाइफ जो है वो कितनी बची इन सब की. आई एम श्योर देश के जितने जर्नलिस्ट हैं वो इस जद्दोजहद से निकलते होंगे कि कहाँ तक हम पब्लिक हैं और कहाँ तक हम पर्सनल हैं.
ट्रू. सोनाली, क्या ऐसी चीज़ आपने जानी जर्नलिज्म के बारे में, न्यूज़ रूम्स के बारे में, रिपोर्टिंग के बारे में, जो आपको रियलाइज़ हुआ कि ओ ऐसा भी होता है?
वेल आई रियलाइज्ड फॉर वन थिंग कि जो सामने हम जब न्यूज़ पढ़े जाती है और जो एकदम स्ट्रेट फेस पीछे कितना हंगामा होता है,
Yeah.
और जब लास्ट मिनट न्यूज़ आती है उसका वो जो भागना, जो स्ट्रेस लेवल्स न्यूज़ रूम में होते हैं वो एक अलग लेवल के होते हैं. एंड डे टू डे फॉर एनी जर्नलिस्ट टू बी गोइंग थ्रू दोज काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेस लेवल्स, और वो जो एक परफॉर्मेंस का एक प्रेशर है, यू नो, टू सर्वाइव दैट इट्स वेरी 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 डिफ़िकल्ट. तो मुझे जो चेहरे हम टीवी पे देखते हैं, जो जर्नलिस्ट हम लोग देखते हैं और उनके बारे में जो बातें की जाती है वो ह्यूमन बन गए. एंड बेसिकली यही है कि जो आपको न्यूज़ जो दे रहे हैं, जो जर्नलिस्ट हैं, उनके भी प्रॉब्लम्स, उनकी चॉइसेस, उनके दिमाग में जो ख्याल है, जो जहाँ पे वो कहीं पे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में आते हैं खुद के साथ, दूसरों के साथ, वो बहुत ही ह्यूमन इमोशंस हैं. और सबके लाइफ में उसी तरह के सवाल, चॉइसेस अलग अलग जगह पे आते हैं. एंड सो दैट ह्यूमन स्टोरी आई थिंक इज सो इंटरेस्टिंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जब वो चॉइसेस और वो सिचुएशंस आते हैं, तब आप लाइक, एंड एज यू हैव जर्नलिज्म स्टूडेंट्स हियर, यू स्टार्ट ऑफ विद ऑल दैट आइडियलिज्म. आप कितना उस आइडियलिज्म को मेंटेन कर पाते हो और कितना नहीं कर पाते हो. और कई बार आप चाह सकते हो कि हम मेंटेन करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन life can be very difficult. So you never know what is it that makes you take that choice, make that choice. And then एक बार आप वो choice कर लेते हो तो it's like mafia. There's no going back. You have to live through it then. So that is something that I'm sure the students here will also face as you go out in the real world.
Yeah, that's a great observation. To you also the same question. What is it that you didn't know? And if there's anything that you were surprised that, okay, ऐसा करते हैं journalists.
Honestly, the world was absolutely new for me. But as Sonali very rightly said, कि अभी हमारे लिए सब actual human beings बन गए, because it's not a good or bad journalist. I mean, yes, there can be bad journalists, but I feel essentially circumstances play such a big part, And ये एक बात मुझे interesting लगी कि किस तरह audience के psyche, viewers के psyche पे play किया जा सकता है आज. So somewhere the onus, I realized so much of the onus is on us when we hear news, because all of us are journalists in our own right. Today we can tweet, I can create fake news, sitting here. But the responsibility जो होती है वो हम पे उतनी भी होती है as people receiving that news. And somewhere the show also highlights this element. And it's also nice because हम दोनों एक organization, मतलब एक ही news channel के हैं, but फिर भी बहुत differences of opinion है. And Radha looks up to Ameena, but somewhere Ameena does not want Radha to make the mistakes that she made, and it's a beautiful bond. और season 2 में इस बार, even in terms of plot, the thrill element is also super high. So you're also seeing on ground क्या क्या होता है, So I think this behind the scenes element is something we haven't really seen in any other Indian series with this depth, and thanks to the wonderful writing and direction, I think we've got it authentic to an extent.
जयदीप अगर आप जर्नलिस्ट होते तो इस कैरेक्टर से कितने अलग होते?
काफी मुश्किल सवाल है ये। मुझे जेन्युइनली नहीं पता। आई डोंट
शायद ऐसे होते।
नहीं पता, बिल्कुल नहीं जानता, क्योंकि मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था। चलो,
हो सकता है ऐसे होते।
हो सकता
ये
है,
प्रिडिक्ट
हो
करना
सकता-
बहुत मुश्किल है ना, लेकिन
बिल्कुल हो
Correct,
सकता है।
yeah.
और इस या हम देखते हैं इस तरह के किरदार दीपांकर जैसे।
राइट। सो अली, अगर आप जर्नलिस्ट होती, आप आप जो कैरेक्टर प्ले करती है, her ethics are in place, every statement that she makes is wisdom for journalist students. You all should watch it. How different would be, how similar you would be?
But Amina has her own insecurities,
Yeah.
and a lot of times when she asks herself a lot of questions and she doubts herself also. उसके बाद में there are tough choices that she makes in her life, और उसका personal life उस बात को दर्शाता है कि वो उसने professional life में जो choices किए हैं, how does it affect her personal life. और इसीलिए for me I would say कि ये I would agree with Jaideep here that you can't predict कि कैसे होते और वो
Right.
would I be able to hold on to that kind of
Yeah,
ethics?
ethics, yeah.
ये बहुत मुश्किल है बताना, क्योंकि circumstances क्या होते हैं बता नहीं सकते हैं, and that I think is the beauty of this show, where it जब आपको ये ह्यूमन साइड दिखाते हैं जर्नलिस्ट के। और श्रेया से भी मैं बहुत अग्री करती हूँ कि नॉट ओनली द ह्यूमन साइड ऑफ द जर्नलिस्ट, लेकिन ऑडियंस की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है। अगर वही बिक रहा है तो कहीं पे एक ज़रूरत बन जाती है कि वो दिखाओ और करो, क्योंकि वो ज़रूरत हो जाती है कभी कभी, एंड टू फाइट अगेंस्ट अ टाइड इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट। कभी कभी वो सुनामी हो सकती है एंड दैट कैन swallow you. So it's a difficult choice.
It's also so entertaining to see कि for example जोश के बोर्ड रूम में जो discussions होते हैं वीजा वी हमारे बोर्ड रूम में जो discussions होते हैं, it's just such a different point of view. And eventually, yes, TRPs are important for the business side of it. You can't really negate that, but maintaining that balance, even when we were acting, कभी-कभी हम बात करते थे, यार ये actually बहुत मुश्किल होता होगा to get one piece of news out the way you want to. It's really hard. So which is why when people from this industry, when they, after the first season, when they reached out saying, oh my god, we related so much to it, we felt really good, because that means it's not too far from what you're seeing.
Absolutely, it's not. I've worked in newsrooms and I'm telling you.
पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज तो अलग होते ही होते हैं। आवाज भारती का स्टूडियो भी करीब है।
I know, इनका स्टूडियो इतना पॉश है, मैंने सर को बोला इनका सेट इतना बड़ा है, हमें क्रैम करके रखा था एक
And
रूम।
it's amazing. ये सब होता है, ये सब कुछ होता है, like and things like
The beauty of this was the way Vinay sir has positioned that, like the way he goes from one newsroom to the other newsroom and the boardroom of one newsroom to the other just underlines how different it is and how difficult it is.
right.
But sorry to interrupt you, I actually got quite lucky in season 2, because season 1 में I was very much disciple of the values of our news channel आवाज भारती, पर season 2 में जो मजा है मुझे हरकतें करने में, which you will see, inspired.
Welcome to Josh.
Yeah, so little bit I enjoyed the Josh.
No, it's this whole competition of a better studio, everything, like back in 2002 when OB vans were very new, live view vans, we all had got OB vans, and our OB van where I worked at that time was cool red, like small, so we used to make fun of other reporters, तुम्हारी OB van तो इतनी बड़ी ट्रक है, घुस भी नहीं सकेगी गली में, कहाँ से रिपोर्टिंग करोगे? So there, all these things that you have observed are so real. How many news channels and news studios did you go to, and which all editors did you meet?
I mean, we went to only two.
Okay.
There's a very close friend of ours, मेरे भी और संबित के भी, Vinay Tiwari, who used to be the editor-in-chief of Mirror, and he was an executive editor of
It was in IBN.
IBN,
yeah,
yes,
in India
IBN
Today.
7 and CNN IBN and so many India Today, all that, So yes, we got a lot of inputs from, talking to Vinay as well. But yeah, काफी मतलब हम भी थोड़ा सा सोचते हैं, तो सब कुछ सिर्फ रिसर्च नहीं है. We have given enough ड्रामा एज वेल, एंड वो तो संबित के दिमाग से ही आया एक्चुअली. जैसे कि इन्होंने बोला ना कि एक बोर्ड रूम से दूसरा बोर्ड रूम और एक ऑफिस से दूसरा ऑफिस, तो मतलब मुझे अच्छा लगेगा कि मैं क्रेडिट लूँ, लेकिन संबित ने लिखा ही वैसा है तो उसके हिसाब से था। और एक चीज़ मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि ये कैरेक्टर्स क्या है, तो मतलब ये सोच के नहीं आया था, अभी अभी जैसे बैठा था तो दिमाग में आया, इसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ कि अमीना वो है जो हम लोग थे, दीपांकर वो है जो हम लोग आज है, राधा वो है जो हम लोग बनना चाहते हैं, और अमीना वो भी है जो हम लोग बन सकते हैं, you know.
Very nice.
So
Lovely.
that is actually, that sort of defines these four characters, you know.
Right. Yeah, that is beautifully in news channels. Yeah. So yeah, so a lot of these things are very, very, very good research. This is, I have to say. How out of the three of you, who is a genuine news junkie? कोई है आप तीनों में से जो सब न्यूज़ देखता है, आज क्या हुआ, कल क्या हुआ, पता है?
आई डोंट नो, मैं देखता हूँ
आप देखते हो? Okay.
अलग अलग जगह से, एक किसी एक जगह पे भरोसा नहीं कर सकते आज।
एग्जैक्टली सो मैं को वही पूछना था, आप न्यूज़ अगर देखते हो तो कहाँ पे? आजकल ट्विटर पे सब मिल जाता है, इंस्टाग्राम पे मिल जाता है, व्हाट्सएप पे भी लोग भेज देते हैं, आप किस न्यूज़ पे भरोसा करते हो?
मेरे अपने विश्वसनीय सूत्र हैं।
अच्छा सोनाली, आई वांट टू आस्क यू बोथ आल्सो, यू नो न्यूज़ इज लाइक व्हाट्सएप पे भी जो आती है वो न्यूज़ है, सम पीपल बिलीव दैट, व्हाट न्यूज़ वुड यू बिलीव, लाइक व्हाट न्यूज़ यू बिलीव?
None actually where I'm concerned, because जिस तरह से अभी न्यूज़ आ रही है और जिस तरह से वन थिंग वी हैव अंडरस्टूड है कि अंडरस्टूड दैट सबका एक साइड है
Yeah.
और एक ओपिनियन है, एंड द मोमेंट यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एंड यू एक्सेप्ट दैट फैक्ट कि ये इनका ओपिनियन है, चलो इनका क्या है, इनका क्या है, सो आई वुड से आई हैव टू अप्लाई व्हाट आई सी, what you call the 360 degree view and 360 degree research. So if you're interested in a topic, I feel I need to do a 360 degree of that topic and only then come to a conclusion. तो इसका ये भी है साइड इफेक्ट, ये भी है कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मैं जानती हूँ लेकिन मेरा कोई कंक्लूजन नहीं है, और वो इसलिए है क्योंकि आई एम नॉट श्योर ऑफ द फैक्ट्स.
Great.
So until you're not sure of the facts, I would rather not come to a conclusion.
Right. So a lot of you guys get news on WhatsApp. So, you know, we call them WhatsApp uncles who keep sending us news. And Shreya, I want to ask you that question, that what news that comes on your WhatsApp, what do you believe, what do you not believe?
Honestly, WhatsApp is not my source for news at all. In fact, I'm that annoying person on WhatsApp groups who will call out saying, नहीं नहीं ये check करो, ये verify करो, you know, because बहुत आसान होता है किसी चीज़ को मानना, especially when it's saucy news, when it's easier to believe, when it's entertaining. But because I'm also an actor, I'm also very conscious कि you never know, कभी हमारे बारे में भी गलत चीज़ें लिखी जाती हैं. So I think I also I'm from that point of view, and like Sonali said, that I get news even if sometimes you don't want more news. There is so much, you know, thrown into your face. But I read enough about things because I don't think today just one article is enough to understand, because you don't know what's paid, you don't know what's authentic. Yeah.
बट एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात सुनाने ने बोली कि आप एक का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सुनते हो, फिर यू नो 360 पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज, बट कमाल की बात यह है कि न्यूज़ वैसी होनी नहीं चाहिए. इट्स नॉट अबाउट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज, इट्स अबाउट न्यूज़. पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज हमारे होंगे, आपका काम सिर्फ न्यूज़ देना है.
Yeah.
तो बट ये बात यहाँ तक आ चुकी है कि न्यूज़, अब न्यूज़ ना रह के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज हो गए.
But you know what's fascinating? For example, on Twitter, एक incident की headline from 3 different perspectives कैसी दी जाती है is so telling of what that portal or news agency stands for. And I think today people are not stupid. They can tell easily कि ये क्या point of view से देखा जा रहा है.
I think ये जो conversation है कि क्या point of view से देखा जा रहा है, I think broken news is a big part of that education to people also. क्योंकि पहले सीजन में जब ये सवाल आते थे तो सवाल अलग किस्म के होते थे, और उसके बाद में शो आने के बाद लोग कहने लगे कि यार ये हमने सोचा ही नहीं था. तो आई थिंक सीजन 1 ने लोगों को सोचने पे मजबूर कर दिया था कि ये हो सकता है. सो दैट इज व्हाई आई थिंक वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई ब्रोकन न्यूज़ वाज सो पॉपुलर, and it's been part of this conversation.
True, especially students, you know, you all have to watch this, you know, being in the news business, I still feel I got to see the reality. That's really something. So I have 2 games to play with you all, and then we have some audience questions, and there are some journalists also who would like to ask you all questions. So game का choice मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ, पहले rapid fire खेला जाए या पहले सच या सनसनी खेला जाए?
रैपिड फायर से शुरू करते हैं. सचिन सनसनी बाद में, क्योंकि हमारा है.
One question to each one. I'll start with you. One thing the fans should expect from Broken News 2.
Thrill. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a favorite journalist or a media organization or newspaper? Anything that you would like to name?
Not one, couple of them, but I wouldn't want to name just now.
Okay. One thing that a journalist should always keep in mind.
To channelize the truth.
One thing a journalist should always keep in mind when interviewing celebrities.
The primary question should be about their work and not about their looks.
Is there a funny story that you heard and you were like, "ये तो पक्का झूठी खबर है"?
Most stories I hear, my team tells me things sometimes and I say कि नहीं ये पक्का झूठा है. So honestly, I'm that person who's cynical. My first reaction is नहीं ये नहीं हो सकता.
Right. One question that you're tired of answering. You can tell me, I'll take it.
Oh God, what question? I can't think of any question that I'm tired of answering. Which one?
मैं प्रॉक्सी कर देता हूँ. एक सवाल जो मैं पक चुका हूँ. It should be banned. आपको ये फिल्म या सीरीज करके कैसा लगा?
कैसा लगा? चलिए
should be
मैंने
banned.
आज तो नहीं
कोई
पूछा.
नहीं बोलेगा बोर हुए.
हाथ जोड़ के
actually,
सभी पत्रकार दोस्तों से कि मत पूछा करो कि ये सीरीज और फिल्म करके आपको कैसा लगा. It's so.
ये तभी आप जवाब दे सकते हैं जब आप कॉन्स्टेंटली काम कर रहे होते हैं. तो मैंने एक सीजन किया, उसके बाद मैं अब 2 साल बाद दूसरा सीजन कर रही हूँ. तो शायद अगले साल आई एम होपिंग कि मैं भी ये जवाब दे पाऊँ कि यार मैं कितना काम कर रही हूँ, मैं कितने जवाब दूँ.
तो चलो
But I'm hoping for it.
ये सीजन करके आपको कैसे लगा फिर? ये बता दीजिए फिर.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. मुझे लगा कि ये सीजन और जल्दी क्यों नहीं आया और जल्दी क्यों नहीं दिखा. बहुत टाइम लगा दिया आपने विनय सर.
Right. He answered your question, so you still have to answer. Which actor will make a really good news journalist according to you?
जयदीप.
Jaideep.
Yeah.
Talia. Okay. Which actors, you all tell me, will make good journalists in these beats? Sports. Who do you think will be a good sports journalist? Which actor?
Oh, actor.
Randeep Hooda?
नहीं, Tiger Shroff.
Nice. Okay. Politics and international affairs. Next for you, Liz Lifestyle.
Politics, I think, Anupam Kher.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fair. Yeah. Lifestyle, entertainment.
Karan Johar.
Yeah. That's true. Who would be a good food journalist?
Oh my
Food
God.
critic or food.
Proxy.
Rapid fire.
But not an actor, but Anand sir, Anand L. Rai.
Yeah.
He can be the best food journalist.
Yeah, I've heard like on his sets, there's always good
He's
food.
amazing.
Yeah, actually, I was thinking of my husband because Rose has always been known for the food that they provide. You know, its food has been the main part of their whole thing. So that's what was coming to my head, and I didn't want to say it. So,
Right. Paparazzi has become a part of the media. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you enjoy being on the other side when you're clicked?
I haven't had negative experiences, nor do I stress about it.
Okay.
So
Part of your life.
yeah, I haven't been stressed. So I would say no, like negative feelings about it.
Right. If there's one thing you would like to tell the Paps, what would that be?
I think in India, what I have seen is that when I've requested, they have always respected my wishes. So I really don't have anything more to ask for.
Right.
We love the fact that we are recognized,
Yeah.
and we work very hard to be recognized. So I understand that. I understand it's their job. And whenever I have requested, they have respected it.
Nice.
As long as that respect remains,
Yeah.
there is no complaints.
That's nice. Jaideep, on a scale of 1 to 10, how addicted are you to social media? 10 being the maximum.
2.
2
Really? 1 second. Really? 2?
Like addicted.
हाँ addicted कि पूरा time
10 is the
maximum.
fully addicted.
हाँ 10 is
हाँ,
fully.
2 to 3.
2 to 3, that's
Yeah,
it.
I don't have Facebook. I only have Instagram.
Instagram is the, वो
But I'm not.
Okay.
आप मेरा प्रोफाइल उठा के देख लो. लास्ट पिक्चर 1 महीना पहले डाली थी.
So कुछ लोग ऐसे करते हैं पिक्चर 1 महीना पहले डालते हैं लेकिन
Stock
देखते सब
सबसे
है.
ज्यादा
No,
वही
no,
करते हैं.
no.
Picture कब डालते हैं? That's not the sir.
No, I'm not.
Right.
I have to give you this thing. मेरा picture कल डाला हुआ होगा, but that doesn't mean I've opened and gone through it for
Okay.
like a week.
Okay. What about you?
I'm active, so I would say 7.
7.
Yeah.
Right. You tell me, you were on the set with all of them. Who was the maximum on social media? On the phone, chalo.
I think.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि who was the most cooperative actor on set, so उसके हिसाब से मैं बोल दूँ.
सीजन 3 की डेट्स नहीं है मेरे पास अभी.
नहीं, but I think Shriya. Sorry.
I'm going to come to y'all for some questions. And raise your hand, there's a mic, and y'all can ask questions. There are some journalists in the crowd, and there are some who want to become journalists.
Hi,
I have a question for Sonali, ma'am. In what ways do you think your character reflects with the real life challenges faced by the women in leadership position in the media industry?
Oh my God, it's so authentic that I can't begin to tell you. क्योंकि इस सीजन में स्पेशली जो पहले सीजन में हम जयदीप के और मेरे सीन्स नहीं थे, आप जब हमारा इंटरेक्शन देखोगे तो आई थिंक द ऑथेंटिसिटी ऑफ व्हाट women फेस आपको पता चलेगा उसमें. सो इट्स वेरी ऑथेंटिक.
Thank you.
Next.
So my question is for Shriya ma'am. So what are the main ethical challenges in journalism because of the advent of social media, online reporting, and all other internet aspects?
From the point of view of the character that I played, I mean, I can answer with respect to that, of course, but people who are actually journalists will have a better sense of it. I would say the biggest challenge would be to be true to what you want to say. Because often you may want to do things in a certain way, but the system or the hierarchy around you may not allow it. And also, for example, if you need to get a point across and you don't want to be twisted in your way of telling, but if that's going to get you eyeballs, then I guess sometimes it's okay to go down that route. It's a weird Robin Hood
That's
theory.
Sunny.
Yeah, but I'm saying ki that's like something that people can
Radha, you're telling
have
the
a
journalism students.
No, I don't mean it
this
like
is
that,
not the
guys.
right advice
I
for
mean
them.
I mean in terms of to be smart about things. That drawing those boundaries can be a challenge. Yeah, but don't listen to me. I'm not a journalist.
Right. Next. Yeah, we'll rate you all as journalists also based on your question.
So my question is for Jaideep sir.
Yes.
So your character uses sensationalism to convey the truth in this season. So do you personally agree with this approach?
For the journalism, I think that's happening so much in this country. और सोशल मीडिया उसका एक बहुत बड़ा रीज़न है. वाई हम आप एक सवाल पूछा गया था, आप कितने एडिक्टेड हैं सोशल मीडिया से? क्योंकि सबको दूसरों की ज़िंदगी में क्या चल रहा है ये झांक के देखने में बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. तो वो सनसनी की ढूंढ रहे हैं, वो सच को किसी को देखना नहीं है. तो आई एम श्योर दीपांकर ये बात बहुत पहले समझ गया था कि ऑडियंस को इस तरह की कहानियाँ सुनने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. तो उसने वो रास्ता चुना और उसको पता है कि वो रास्ता जल्दी सक्सेस की तरफ जाएगा बावजूद कि आवाज़ भारती और अमीना के.
Sorry, I just don't want to name a journalist जिसको मैं recently मिला एक्चुअली दिल्ली में, जो ये सवाल के बारे में इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि एक्चुअली आप लोग जो फिक्शन बनाते हैं ना, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव प्रोसेस है. हम ना ये एक्चुअली हमारा न्यूज़ जो है ना बेसिकली उसमें हम लोग जो फिक्शन डाल के करते हैं ना वो इतना सस्ते में बनता है और इतने लोग देखते हैं ना, बहुत अच्छा है, आपको भी यही करना चाहिए. तो बोला कि और ही इज द एडिटर इन चीफ ऑफ वन ऑफ द लीडिंग चैनल्स टुडे. तो मतलब मैं सिर्फ नाम
थोड़ा
नहीं
hint
बोलना
दे दो,
चाहता.
English
पर
channel,
ऐसे
हिंदी channel.
हिंदी चैनल ऐसा प्लीज मत कीजिए कोई भी, प्लीज. एंटरटेनमेंट और जर्नलिज्म अलग अलग रखेंगे. तो थैंक यू.
Right. That's so good.
हमारा
to know.
काम हमें करने दीजिए.
Yeah, you had a question? Yeah.
Yeah, I had a question for Vinay sir. So creating a show like this, of course, it requires a lot of knowledge about media and journalism. So did you really spend a lot of time with journalists in your studio itself, and what kind of research went behind it?
We spent, as I said, we spent quite a lot of time with the journalists. फील्ड जर्नलिस्ट भी है या स्टूडियो में जो काम करते हैं एडिटर्स है उनके साथ में भी किया. बट आई वुड से दैट व्हेन यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ शो लाइक दिस और आई मीन और एनी काइंड ऑफ वेब शो और अ फिल्म, द रिसर्च इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बट रिसर्च कैन ओनली गिव यू सो मच, सो आप क्या बताना चाहते हो, that is also equally important, and your research should be around that and needs to support the story which you want to tell. So कि मैंने बहुत बढ़िया रिसर्च कर लिया और एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री, मतलब we are not making a docu series, right? So we did a research, but it was only in the purview of like the story which you wanted to tell.
Right. Who has a question?
Namita, I myself is an entertainment journalist. How are you all? So since you three are playing rivals as journalists, so as your actors, so who all do you think are your rivals in your respective field?
ये है ना जर्नलिस्ट का क्वेश्चन.
ये सवाल
ये सवाल है, सनसनी है.
सच है वैसे
नहीं कोई राइवलरी नहीं.
आपने सनसनी वाला क्वेश्चन पूछा है. अब ये सवाल है कि हम सच बताएंगे या नहीं.
सच बता दीजिए. सच हमेशा अच्छा होता है, कड़वा जरूर होता है पर अच्छा होता नहीं.
Yeah, come on, Shreya.
You know, honestly, and I mean it. I really, really mean it. Yeah, Sonali, I'm very used to this. It's okay. Take one for the team. At least, I mean, when I'm sitting with my contemporaries, if I like someone's work or if someone likes my work, we actually pick up the phone and say, hey, I really liked your work, you know? So I don't think, at least, अगर होगी इनसिक्योरिटी तो शायद दिखाते नहीं, पता नहीं, but I think I haven't experienced where people are really out there hating on each other, at least not obviously. So I don't think you're really looking at people as rivals or not. You can like someone's work and be like,
This
"Arey, that's
answer
cool,
will
yes."
get the least TRP.
Yeah,
And the least
but that's the truth.
Sansani nahi
least
hai.
views.
But that's the truth.
She wanted names.
Names.
Rohit got it right.
I ain't giving names.
Yeah, but good question.
Thank you. Sonali, from you also, I want to know.
ये
And Jaideep.
आपके rival कौन है?
हाँ.
हमको
कोई नहीं,
हमको
कोई नहीं, मैं खुद ही हो सकता हूँ और मेरा कोई नहीं हो सकता.
ये देखो इतने मतलब
TRP और
क्या
views
हो
का
गया
question.
दीपांकर को?
Healthy competitors तो होते ही है ना. Healthy competitors होते हैं, right?
तो ये शब्द का इस्तेमाल कीजिए ना, राइवलरी क्यों
कर
बोल
दिया।
रहे हैं फिर? हेल्दी कंपिटिटर्स बहुत सारे लोग हैं. हर वो एक्टर जो किसी न किसी स्टेज पे या किसी न किसी पर्दे पे अच्छा काम करता है, एज श्रेया सेड, कि आपका मन करता है उसे फोन उठा के उसको बोलने का, क्योंकि आपके अंदर थोड़ा सा तो यार ये कुछ ऐसा कर गया जो शायद मैं नहीं कर पाता, यार पता नहीं हो पाता या नहीं हो पाता. तो वो जो मजा आता है ना आपको अपने को एक्टर्स के साथ, सीनियर एक्टर्स के साथ या जूनियर एक्टर्स के साथ, वो बहुत अलग सुकून है एक्चुअली. वो मुझे लगता है कि वो जिंदा रहेगा तो ठीक रहेंगे हम, नहीं तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी.
आपको आज नाम तो नहीं मिलने वाला.
नहीं ना, मैं पूछने वाली थी नाम तो बता दो, अच्छे दोस्तों के ही बता दो.
विजय वर्मा मेरा बैचमेट भी है और क्योंकि कंटेम्प्रेरी भी है, एक साथ एफटीआई से बाहर निकले थे. मनोज भाई हैं, उनको जब भी देखते ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये आदमी फिर से कुछ ऐसा कर गया कि जो समझ नहीं आया कि कहाँ से आया. और राजकुमार है, मेरा बैचमेट है अगेन. बहुत सारे लोग हैं, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे एक्टर हैं. पंकज भाई हैं, पंकज त्रिपाठी अगेन हमारे सीनियर हैं. बट जब भी उन लोगों को पर्दे पे, रणबीर कपूर को जब भी पर्दे पे देखता हूँ, मुझे लगता है कि यार ये कुछ तो अलग था, आपकी बात इसके दिमाग में चल रहा था. वो होता है.
And that's what comes to our mind when we see you on cam.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
Right. Anyone? Yeah.
कोई नहीं, पूछ सकते हो ब्रोकन न्यूज करके कैसा
Oman, you
लगा.
have a question?
कल से बैन है, आज से नहीं.
Answer for everything, but if you would like to add on the aspect of finding your true self, does it become difficult? I mean, you're part of real life, real world, and then playing that character in the real world. So do you find it difficult to find your real self at times?
I think fiction is way more interesting than real life. Way more. Fiction is amazing. जब आप कुछ किसी किरदार के थ्रू कुछ कर रहे होते हैं ना, कई बार लाइफ ऐसा लगता है कि लाइफ बोरिंग है, वो सब सही चल रहा है. ऐसा फील होता है कि लाइफ ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ ये रियल नहीं है, वो सब जो वहाँ हो रहा है वो रियल लगता है. मतलब वो दैट हैपेंस.
Guys, it was wonderful. It is, you know, I've watched this season, guys. Please go and watch it. Even journalism students, I'm telling you all. Oh, you have a question? Oh, yeah. You
Was that a dare? Are you going to win? Because I hope you win something. That's very sweet. I actually am single. Yeah.
He's like, before ये rap होए मैं तो बोल दूँ अपना. Good, you're hired. Guys, thank you so much. Wonderful season, and thank you for this interview. Really had a good time. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Third May, Broken News Season 2.